நீங்கள் டைம் பாஸ் சேனலுக்கு புதுசாக இருந்தீங்கன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ரைட் சைட் கார்னரில் இருக்கிற பெல் சிம்பிளையும் அழுத்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ தட் உங்களுக்கு நான் போடுற வீடியோஸ் எல்லாமே நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனோட உங்களோட ஹோம் பேஜில் வரும். ஸோ மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் நம்ம வீடியோஸை நீங்கள் உடனுக்குடன் பார்க்கலாம். Hi kids, today we are going to see about the alphabets ABCD, a nature alphabet book. Nature. So A, this is A. A is for ant. In nature way, we represent A is for ant. In this book, we will all see the alphabetical order according to the nature. This is B. B is for bee. B is for bee. And then this is C. This is C. C is for cloud. D. D is for dewdrops. D is for dew. E. E is for egg. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. G. G is for grass. G is for grass. H. H is for ill. H is for ill. I. I is for ice. I is for ice. J. J is for jungle. J is for jungle. K. K is for kind. K is for kind. L. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. This is moon. M is for moon. M is for moon. N. N is for nest. N is for nest. O. O is for ocean. O is for ocean. P. P is for puddle. P is for puddle. Q. Q is for quill. Q is for quill. R. R is for rain. R is for rain. S. S is for stars. S is for stars. Tree. T is for tree. Tree is for tea. U. U is for underwater. U is for underwater. V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. W. W is for wave. W is for wave. X. X is for xenopus. X is for xenopus. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. A is for, again let us see it. A is for ant. B is for bee. C is for cloud. D is for dewdrops. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for grass. H is for ill. I is for ice. J is for jungle. K is for kind. L is for leaf. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for ocean. P is for puddle. Q for quill. R for rain. S is for star. T is for tree. U is for underwater. V is for volcano. W is for water. V is for wave. X is for xenopus. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Hope so you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos and enjoy to the kids stories and upcoming videos. Bye.